Hey there, Kewal this side. Are you a digital marketeer or a consultancy company which is struggling on delivering the projects on time? Are you the one who is always running behind your employees to getting the work completed on time? Are you the one who is running behind clients to get the payments on time and now client is not giving the payment because your work is not getting completed? Now, in this video, we should learn on as a consultancy business owner, as a digital marketing agency business owner, how can you deliver your projects on time without any delay? Hi there, I'm Kewal Kishan, India's leading business automation coach. And if you're watching me first time on Facebook or YouTube, hit the like button and click on the subscribe button as well if you're watching on YouTube so that you can watch my upcoming lessons and videos for your business growth. So आज के वीडियो में बात करेंगे कि एज अ डिजिटल मार्केटियर or as a consultancy business owner, how can you track your projects and deliver them on time without firefighting? And this is where you will discover a solution which is called flow management system, through which tracking all the orders, all the projects, and updating your employees about it will become really easy for you. But before I go and jump and show you the system, I want you to understand on why you need these systems, why you need a flow management system where you can track your company's workflow, your day-to-day projects, and the tracking of it. Reason number one, we keep reminding our teammates about the pending tasks, right? And if we don't remind them, they delay it. So we are a chief follow-up officer. 80% of the projects get stuck in between or delay in the delivery as well. When I started my entrepreneurship career, I started as a consultancy firm. We used to deliver the projects by building some custom web application, mobile applications. And I know it was really difficult for me to manage my team and deliver the work on time. And 80% of the work used to get delayed because of the lack of coordination. And third reason, third problem, employees forget on completing the tasks and the blame game starts happening in the company. Now, as a business owner, if you forget any task, you do not blame anybody. But if your employees forget any single task, then you start shouting at them. Now, as a human being, we are supposed to forget things, right? But if there is a technology through which we can get reminders, then there is a less chance that employees forget. And at the end, employees also don't get real-time updates about their SEO work, SMA work, Facebook ads, social media work, or if they've given you a website development project or a mobile app development project, are you giving them a real-time update on how much work has been completed or not? And the result is, because we do not complete the project, the work on time, we receive the payment late, and which results in cash flow crunch. And because of which we fear on taking new projects, right? On taking new orders because we lack confidence that okay, we can actually complete the work on time. And because of which, because of lack of confidence, our sales also go down. And at the end, as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, as a digital marketing agency owner, or as a consultancy owner, you become a chief follow-up officer who spend an entire day on doing nothing but doing the follow-ups. Tell me in the comment box how many hours you waste every day on following up with your teammates, on managing your projects manually. Quickly tell me in the comment box. Now, let's go ahead and understand on how using a simple flow management system you can track your projects on time and deliver them. Now these are the features of the system which I'm going to showcase to you. Using this system, you should be able to send automatic reminders to your teammates for pending and in progress tasks. Using this system, you'll be able to send a real-time status of each and every task, whether it is pending or whether it is completed. Employees will know now on how much work is pending, and they will be able to complete it according to the deadline as well. Even employees will get daily reminders as well with all the tasks which are pending from their side. And you will get a real-time dashboard where you can filter out the projects stage wise, employee wise, or order type wise as well. So let's see on how this flow management system work, how it looks like, and whether it can solve our business challenges or not. Let's go ahead and check it out. So this is called the flow management system, which 4,000 plus business owners in India are using, and they are able to track all their orders and projects and deliver it on time because this flow management system has completely automated their day-to-day operations. So let's see how it works. So for example, when you get a new order, a new project, right? This is where in the setting sheet you define the stages, right? So for example, if you get a mobile app development project, so stage one will be that, okay, planning. Stage two will be designing, then development, then approval, then making it live, taking client feedback, and payments. Now here you can add more stages, you can delete it. So these stages you can create and customize according to your requirement. Here you can define on how many type of orders you get. For example, you work for clients on social media marketing, you help them in website development, mobile app development, Facebook ads, video editing, or other ways as well. Here you can define on what type of orders or projects you get in your business. Now, when you go to new order, you go to this sheet called new order, and here the stages are already defined. Now here you choose for which client you're going to deliver the work. These clients will be added in the setting sheet as well. And here you define what is the order number, which is the type of order it is. Is it the organic social media marketing? Because for that the stages will be different. Is it mobile app development? Is it Facebook ads? Is it video editing or something else? So here you choose mobile app development. And here you choose what is going to be the start date of the order. Here you can add any remarks as well, that okay, it is going to be Android and iOS app for e-commerce company. Here even you can add a link of the company's requirements or brochure or something else as well. Now this is where you define and delegate that, okay, planning, which employee is going to handle the planning, and where do you add the employees? There in the setting sheet you can add all your employees, their email address, their contact number as well, and they get added to this automation system. So planning is going to give to one employee, you can delegate designing to another employee, you can delegate the development to another employee, and then here you can define, because until unless you plan you cannot deliver the work on time, right? And 80% of the orders and projects get delayed because business owners lack planning. And even if they plan, there is no system which can send reminders to their employees. So I'll come to you the reminder part as well. So this is where you define the stages, right? Kewal is going to complete the planning and he's going to take 1 day, and you can add remarks here as well. Another employee is going to work on design and going to take 2 days, right? Another employee is going to work on development and is going to take maybe 10 days for it. And then approval, maybe you can add yourself that, okay, you are going to give the approval, so you can choose your name and you can take 1 day for approval, and then you can choose another employee for making it live, and then another employee for taking the client feedback, and accounts department for taking the payment, the recovery from the client for any pending payment as well. Now here in drop down you can see only 2 employees, you can add as many employees as you want, right? And by just clicking on this beautiful button called create order, a new project, a new order gets created. And your employees get WhatsApp and emails along with a Google Sheet where they can track all the activities of the project which you have delegated to them. So this is where your each and every employees different flow gets created, right? So your employee need to work on their task, and automatically when they complete on their sheet, that gets synced onto this master sheet and you get a real-time update as well. Now here you may be wondering that, Kewal, can my employee update it from the mobile phone? Yes, these systems work on mobile phone as well. And along with that, how will your employee remember on completing the work? Your employee get daily email and WhatsApp reminders as well. So let me show you on how the reminder system work. Here in the notification system, here you can, the message goes based on all the events. When a new order or a new project you create on the new order sheet, your employees get a message on WhatsApp and on email as well, that dear employee, the following stages for this project has been assigned to you. Here you can customize it according to your requirement as well. Now here, when one employee complete the work, the next employee gets a update that, okay, Kewal has completed the planning, now you need to work on designing. Now these employees complete the designing, you need to work on development as well. And even parallel stages can be created in this. So this is where a complete mail and WhatsApp to the next stage owner when the previous stage employee complete the work. And this is where this message goes to your employees for all the tasks which are still pending from their side in daily reminders as well. So these messages you can customize according to your requirement as well, right? Now here I'm wondering, Kewal, how do you add the WhatsApp API in all these systems? I'll come to that as well. Now this is very interesting part which is called view order, and this is called order dashboard. So here, for example, you want to take, okay, order one. I want to know everything about this order. You choose the order number and you click on view order, and the complete detail of the order comes to you on how much work has been completed, which activities are or stages are completed, which stages are pending, so that you know exactly where is the bottleneck and you can solve that problem. If you choose another order, you click on this and it shows you other order detail as well. When you go to order dashboard, here in this dashboard you can track the order customer wise, owner wise. Owner means your employee, because he or she is the owner of that stage which you have delegated to them. Stage wise you can filter orders, and even type of order wise as well, right? You need to just choose any of the filter and click on search, and it automatically shows you the entire dashboard as well, right? So using the system, scaling your business becomes really easy. Now here you might be wondering that, Keval, okay, this is awesome, I want to implement it ASAP. Now this requires the complete system, this requires a complete handholding, and this requires a complete WhatsApp automation system as well. But do not worry, we have figured it out for you. Now below the video, if you're watching it on YouTube, you'll see the description, there is a link given, and that is a link of our upcoming business automation masterclass. This is a complimentary masterclass where in 2 hours I share with you step-by-step approach on how can you automate your entire business, including marketing, sales, your day-to-day operations using these systems, and your team management, and put your business truly on autopilot mode, because your business can only grow if you and your employees are free from firefighting and focusing on growth. And that is where you will get a complete knowledge on how you can implement all these systems through our 8 weeks of step-by-step automation program as well. Now, after showcasing you the flow management system, let's check out the benefits of it. Now we had the problems which we see that using this system we can solve it, but what is going to be the benefit of it? The benefit are going to be these: you will start delivering your projects on time without any hassle. Your employees' productivity will go to the roof, because now they will not get confused on what to do, what not to do. They will get daily reminder and they will know exactly what to do, and they will complete the work before the deadline, because if they delay it, then you will see on your dashboard that this work has been delayed by the employee. And you can create rules in your company that if employees delay the work, right, and they will not get the bonus, which gives them the motivation on completing the work on time. Right now, you don't have any idea which employee is completing the work, which employee is delaying the work, because you are also running your business manually, and resulting to that, your employees are also forgetting the tasks. You are the leader. You need to lead by example. If you start systemizing things, your employees will also upgrading and saving their time as well. And result will be when you are tracking everything on a dashboard and you are delivering your orders on time, you will start saving 6 to 7 hours every day from the manual involvement of managing the projects and working as a clerk in your company. And you will have more time on handling more projects, because now your employees' productivity also will be 3 times. And at the end, what we need freedom from the day-to-day firefighting, and that is what business owners get when they implement these systems in their business, right? And when you're delivering the work on time, we all work for clients, right? I always focus on helping my students, business owners, on implementing these systems, and the same way you will also focus on working and completing the project on time for your clients, and it will result into more referrals from your clients and more work from your clients. So imagine if you're getting a work from a client worth 50,000 rupees, and you've committed your client that okay, you will complete the work in 2 weeks, but you don't have any flow management system, and because of which that 2 weeks work gets delivered in 45 days. But do the calculation, the 50,000 payment which you could get in 15 days, you're getting in 45 days, right? But you're happy that you got a sale. but you did not get any profit, because now you're getting that money in 45 days, and for 45 days you need to pay the salaries to your employees, right? You need to get involved manually, and that is the reason the consultancy businesses, the digital marketing businesses always fail to scale, because they're manually involved in delivering the projects, right? And they don't have any system, they don't have any technology, they don't have any ERP systems, and using this Google Sheet based ERP system called flow management system, you can track it and deliver it, and it results in getting the payment on time as well, and you become a cash rich company where you hire good employees, you give the bonus to your employees, and you invest more and more on growing your business. You shift from blame game, where you're blaming your employees that okay they don't work. Employees are blaming the business owner is absolutely zero in technology and he or she is not technical at all, right? Your employees, they are always thinking that you're the leader, and if you don't behave like a leader, they will leave you and they will join any good company, right? There is a law called law of lead. Law of lead says out of 1 to 10, if the business owner is at 8, employees cannot cross 6. If the business owner is at 6, employees cannot cross 4. So if you want your business to grow, your employees to grow, first of all, you need to upgrade yourself. Because if you do not upgrade using automation, one day you will become dinosaur in your industry. And this is the way to beat your competition, by automating your processes and becoming efficient. A lot of people come to me, Kewal, we are busy. We don't have the time for implementation. Well, they are not busy. You're not busy. You are inefficient. And that is the reason you need to implement all these systems so that you can get more time and grow your business, and you live a happy and tension free life as well. Now, I want you to share this lesson, this video, with as many consultancy businesses or digital marketing agencies which are in your network, because this one lesson can change their business and can change their life forever. And if you're a business owner who is looking to upgrade, who is looking forward to get freedom from years of struggle, and who is looking for true growth, join me in my upcoming masterclass where I shall showcase you a step-by-step process on how can you automate and scale your business in less than 8 weeks using Google applications and WhatsApp automation. With that, I'm wrapping up this lesson. Make sure you like this video, click on the subscribe button if you're watching it on YouTube, and share this value with as many friends as you can. Take care.